This tutorial will show you how to log in when driver ID is enabled on the 6100. There are 3 methods of identification logins. What method you use is determined by how your truck is configured within the calibration menu. The 3 methods are driver ID key, which uses a USB flash drive. Then there is numeric and alphanumeric driver ID entry. Joystick functions, cameras, and warning messages will still be available without logging in. If driver ID mode is enabled, the user must log in before material can be spread. Once logged in, the spreader material and usage data will be recorded and stored. As stated earlier, driver key ID uses a USB driver key to log into the system. This is a pre-programmed USB key that can be inserted into either of the USB ports located on the lower right side of the screen. Numeric and alphanumeric driver ID entries are options as well. For these entries, you can use the on-screen keypad and press the Enter button. Pressing the 1, 2, 3 or ABC button will toggle the entry screen between letters and numbers. Please note, the underscore button may also be used as part of the password text. Since the spreader and material usage gets recorded for the specific user, be sure to log out when finished or when changing operators to ensure that all data is recorded under the correct driver. Turning off the dash key and shutting down will log you out automatically, as well as turning off the spreader rocker switch. To conclude, when the driver ID is enabled, it requires the user to log in before the system will operate the spreader features. Once logged in, the data will be stored indefinitely or until someone clears it. Remember, driver ID will be signed out when using the logout button, switching off the spreader rocker switch, or powering down the 6100.